The most important thing that I think our entertainment can do is connect people together. We definitely have a very unique culture as a game studio in our industry. I get to hear on a pretty regular basis that what we have here is very different, very unique, very special. That's really important to us, to our identity. You know, I think that there is a direct correlation between who we are as a company and how much we actually value being different and being unique in our industry, and just this perfect correlation with where we are here in McKinney. And the fact that that's McKinney's tagline, that's kind of how McKinney defines itself. You know, I think it's almost like we inspire each other, you know, and the people here are definitely inspired by that environment, by the town. I get to hear on a pretty regular basis that what we have here is very different, very unique, very special.